Hi, I'm Masood Ahmed. I've been teaching English almost for the last 20 years. Teaching languages is always challenging but interesting as well. When we talk about in global context and living in this multilingual world, we have to use different languages. English is one of the important languages of the world that's used in technology, in research, in medical, everywhere. So different learners, they use it for different purposes. As a social member, we are doctors, teachers, we are students, parents. So we have to play different roles. Uh, Everyone actually according to his necessity and function, he requires different levels of languages, and those learners who are skilled, they can use it everywhere and skillfully. But some learners, we know, they have mediocre knowledge and some have initial knowledge. uh, the lectures that I'm going to start here, they would be in the form of lectures and clips as well, that would be helpful for everyone, for every age. In a way, they would be evergreen and they would fulfill the necessity of all learners. So keep on watching and see you soon. Thank you.